Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a seriously good news story for the Philippines. I was surprised to learn about this recently. So it's wow, big news. So what is it? It concerns Ninoy Aquino Airport. As some of you may know, there's a new airport being built, but this good news is about the old airport, because happening right now at Ninoy Aquino, there is a massive maintenance hangar, more than one, and the Philippines is actually servicing and repairing aircraft for major airlines and airline manufacturers. So Boeing, Airbus, and then all the airlines. The Philippines is a hub for maintenance and repair. So let me explain who's using these facilities and why. Well, the why is easy, because if we take Dubai is a massive hub. They do repairs as well, but the Philippines does it better, cheaper and quicker. How? Well, it's all to do with money. Airlines want to spend less money repairing, maintenance, servicing. In the Philippines, Filipino people get paid slightly less than people in Dubai. Well, that means that the airport can do the maintenance or repairs a little bit cheaper, a little bit less money. And so the airlines think, we'll go to Manila, Ninoy Aquino. It's not just about being cheaper. The quality of the service has to be good, and the service levels at Ninoy Aquino and the Filipino people who work there is excellent. So that makes you feel proud to be a Filipino, makes me feel proud to be here and living in the Philippines. Let's have a look at the airlines which use Ninoy Aquino's maintenance. So here is some useful info before we start. Some of the following screens are abbreviated. Here are the abbreviations used in the video. NAIA, Ninoy Aquino International Airport. MRO, Maintenance, Repair, Overhaul. LTP, Lufthansa Technik Philippines. SIA Engineering, Singapore International Airlines. This is a list of airlines which use MRO regularly. PAL, Philippine Airlines, Asiana Airlines, ANA, All Nippon Airways, China Airlines, Etihad Airways, JAL, that's Japanese Airlines, Korean Air, Qatar Airways, and Royal Brunei Airlines. These airlines have contracts for routine line maintenance and C-checks. Routine line maintenance and C-checks. Line checks are routine aircraft inspections and minor maintenance tasks carried out between flights or overnight, usually at the airport gate or ramp. They are the most frequent type of aircraft maintenance. So what are line checks? Line checks keep an aircraft safe and serviceable on a day-to-day basis without taking it out of service for long periods. These are done before the first flight of the day, between flights, overnight between short stops. What is done during line checks? Typical tasks include walk around, visual inspections, checking for leaks, damage or loose panels, checking tyres, brakes and lights, checking fluid levels, oil, hydraulics and oxygen, reviewing technical logbook entries, resetting or troubleshooting minor systems faults, or replacing small components, bulbs, sensors or filters. C-checks are major scheduled aircraft maintenance inspections carried out to ensure an aircraft remains safe and airworthy. So what is a C-check? A C-check is a thorough inspection of an aircraft that goes far beyond daily or weekly checks. The aircraft is taken out of service, usually performed in a maintenance hangar. Large sections of the aircraft are opened up. Systems, structures and components are inspected, tested, repaired or replaced. How often do C-checks happen? typically between 18 or 24 months, or after a specific number of flight hours or cycles. Exact timings depend on the aircraft type and manufacture. What work is done during a C-check? Examples include detailed inspections of the fuselage, wings and tail assembly, checks on engines, landing gear and flight controls, testing of avionics, hydraulics, electrics and air conditioning, corrosion checks and repairs, cabin inspections, seats, galleys, lavatories, software updates and airworthiness directives compliance. How long does a C-check take? Usually 1 to 3 weeks. Requires hundreds or thousands of man-hours. Involves multiple engineering teams and inspectors. MRO Philippines. Ninoy Aquino operates the airport. LTP Lufthansa Technik Philippines. Now in 2025, a new partnership with SIA Engineering offering MRO for all airlines. Ninoy Aquino MRO is a winning combination and growing for three main reasons: competitive pricing, quality workmanship and delivered on time. My congratulations to all involved. So now the big question is, what will happen to Ninoy Aquino MRO, the maintenance program? Well, line maintenance will continue at both airports, the old and the new. The C-checks will probably stay at Ninoy Aquino with the partnership of Lufthansa Technik Philippines and SIA Engineering, which is Singapore Airlines. That's set to continue or even expand, so it will stay at Ninoy Aquino. I would guess that airlines flying into the Philippines and Manila that are scheduled for C-checks, they'll probably land at Ninoy Aquino rather than the new airport, because all the facilities will be at Ninoy Aquino. One thing is for certain, the future is looking good for the Philippine aviation industry. It's good for the people of the Philippines and the Philippine economy. There is also the possibility of Philippine Airlines expanding. Instead of using Dubai International Airport as a hub, they could, from the new Manila Airport, start to have direct flights to Europe or more flights to USA, Canada, etc. That could be on the cards for the new airport, part of the plan. In 2023, PAL, which is Philippine Airlines, placed an order with Airbus, that's a European aircraft manufacturer. They placed an order for 9 long-haul aircraft. That's a big investment. Price of that would have been roughly 3.2 billion US dollars. I suspect that Philippine Airlines got themselves a discount because they went to Europe, Airbus, rather than going to Boeing, which is American. And I think the deal would have been that they got a discount if Philippine Airlines promised to do direct flights in and out of Europe, including the UK. So I think that's probably what's going down there. So the first A350-1000 is due for delivery in late 25. Well, that is now. So it could be here already, the first aircraft that they ordered. So well done President Marcos for getting the order in and for getting a good deal. We've learned that on the TV news, you only get bad news. Never tell you good stories. You only hear about corruption and murders, fighting. Never get good news. This is a good news story, which should be on the news, but it's not. So what we learned from the video is that Philippine Airlines is already a major player in aircraft maintenance, and we're talking about world-class aircraft maintenance. It's already happening in Ninoy Aquino. Why is it working so well? Philippine people are trained properly. They can do the job cheaper because they're getting less salary than maybe people in Dubai or Hong Kong, and that keeps the cost down. So they're very competitive in price. They're delivering excellent workmanship, and more importantly, they're delivering on time. That is crucial for these big airlines. If an aircraft is delivered late from maintenance, that affects their whole worldwide schedule because planes are out of place. So you can see how crucial, how important it is to get an aircraft serviced and get it back on the delivered promise. The Philippines is doing that. They have proven themselves to do that. So, as I said before, congratulations to all involved at Ninoy Aquino, because you're making a big difference. And this is a tremendous good news story, but it should be shared. So share the video, share it with your fellow Filipino people, make them all aware that this is really good news for everyone. I'll be giving you updates on this subject, so please like and subscribe. If you subscribe, it's free and you will be notified when I do new videos. So I just want to finish by saying two words. Phenomenal Philippines. Very proud to be here living in the Philippines. Stay safe, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye from James.